Good morning. Hey, thanks for coming out this morning. Really happy to be here and appreciate the invitation to be able to speak and be part of the panel and then address you all and talk to you about a little bit about Level. So when I say welcome home, it conjures thoughts of possibly sitting around a dining room table, relaxing in the living room, watching TV, enjoying some relaxing time just around the house. And so when I say welcome home, I think that's really where we want to go with Level. So it really started at this place here. So after a long drive, one of our co-founders made it up to Tahoe and he forgot his keys. And so when I say welcome home, you know your home. Shouldn't your home know you? So that's where this began. The result began the innovation of a new product, innovation of a new way to design something and bring something to market that really was convenient and helped our lives. So at Level, we take the home, but we put it before technology. And this is what we've had to work with for generations. Something that's very basic, something that's very mechanical, and we took that thought and took that idea and created something completely new. But what do we really want from smart home devices? We want easy to install, right? We want something that is going to be easy to install, easy to implement into our homes. We want something that's definitely a better quality than what's out there right now. We want something that's going to last a long time with the battery. We want predictability. We want reliability. Something that just disappears. So you want, if you think about your smart home devices, you don't want things that are going to be big and bulky and in the way. And then we also want it to be fitting with the design of our home. So that's where Level came in. It's literally the smallest, most advanced lock ever, and it really brings to market some choices. So let's talk about some of the products. We've got the Level Bolt. The Level Bolt is a product that fits inside of the door, and it's fitting for retrofit. It's fitting for products that you already may have on your door, so it can take a mechanical lock and make it smart. We've got the Level Touch. The bezel on the outside is touch sensitive with your mobile device on you, so it allows for that simple touch to unlock, touch to lock. And then we've got a new product. You may have seen it already, the Level Lock Plus. The Level Lock Plus gives you those features of touch and being able to access the product, but it also gives you the capability with Apple HomeKey. So you can walk up to your door and not even open your phone, open an app, open anything, and use it as a NFC device to be able to open that lock. Along with that, we've built a keypad that gives you the capability when you want that extra way to be able to access and be able to provide codes, you can access the door and open that lock through the keypad. You can touch the keypad on your way out and as a simple lock, so you don't need to pull out your phone, you don't need to do other devices and be able to simply lock that. We've got great partnerships, one of those being Rocky Mountain Hardware. Rocky Mountain Hardware, if you're not familiar with them, make beautiful hardware for doors, and they allow for just a very seamless, beautiful look. And like I said before, what takes that mechanical actuation and turns it into a smart actuation. Here's some many ways that you can utilize Level to be able to lock and unlock through the Apple HomeKey. You can touch. You have the NFC key cards through the mobile app. You can auto lock and auto unlock. You can send passes through the phone. You can use voice to unlock. You can remotely access and lock and provide access as well, through many different ways and through the different products. Sharing access is very simple with Level because you can open up the app, you can send somebody a temporary code to be able to access, whether you have somebody checking on your home while you're gone, or you have a pet dog walker that comes to walk your dogs, and you can provide access through the app that way as well. You can view the history, so you can see who has entered and exited the home, lock and unlock the home. And when it comes to builders and wondering why does it make sense, it's a new take on smart locks. It's just a beautiful design. It allows you to, and your homeowners, to access through many different ways through the technology. It meets the highest level of security. It's a AAA security, grade 1 security for reliability, for security, and for the finish as well. And it has end-to-end encryption, so you have that secure connection and not being concerned about anybody accessing through means of technology. So come by, if you haven't seen Level before and you don't have a one-on-one with me already, come by and take a look and I'll show you how Level works. That's a QR code there for my information if you don't happen to be able to make it by. So grab your phone and you can take a picture of that QR code and follow up with me if you'd like. Happy to be able to talk with you. Thank you.